Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a Bluetooth aux hack. So basically I bought this little adapter that is aux into Bluetooth from Amazon. It was only a couple quid and I think it was on Amazon Prime Day, so it was even cheaper. It's only about £4, £5. It's just this little Bluetooth adapter. This comes out so you could plug it into your radio, and I'll show you right now. So basically it plugs into your aux where you have it in your radio. So mine is up here. It used to be down here, but I took it out and replaced it because it didn't work, because obviously the other radio. So basically you plug it in and you plug the other Bluetooth obviously part in. And you can either have it like that. I didn't like it like that just because it looks like it's just like sticking out. So what I done was I took this out and I put an aux in and I connected it to an aux down here, which is the other end. Hang on 1 second. Yeah, I've just plugged that in. So, and then basically I turn that on and it is hidden under there. So basically it's just wired all the way down and like hidden under here. So yeah, that's just it. Basically it's so easy to like do and it's so cheap to do. So if you want to do a little Bluetooth like mod, if you don't have Bluetooth on your stereo, well, you can do it. So basically my radio has Bluetooth, but it only Bluetooths like my contacts and stuff, so that's why I bought the adapter, so that I could have like a Bluetooth for the whole system. That's just the reason why I bought it, but it was so cheap that I thought, why not? I'll link the Bluetooth adapter in the description of this video. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one.